That's what I said to the guy. Ha! We don't use joiner, we use Sigaflex. Hey, who's this guy over here measuring stuff up? I had a termite guy in my house, and he looks kind of shady like that guy. That's your spot right there, mate. Next to me. Right here.
That's my spot.
There's crap everywhere, but we've got to clean it up.
Right, so let me try and explain what's going on here. Joel, that's Joel over there in the corner. Waving, Joel. He felt sorry for me with my tiny shed space at home and said, why don't you come and do some work out of this spot right here. Carrie Morbo got a gaming shoulder. Just taking a quick breather, but I should give you an update what I'm doing here. I'm working from Studio Dubbeld here in Townsville, and it's a woodworking school, and they make custom furniture in this workshop here. So it's a really old facility, some great bit of work here. We've got Joel and Aden, and they've invited me in to introduce some steel into the place. So I have to start off by making a steel workbench. I need a good level steel bench to work from, and so that's going to be the challenge. Let's see if we can put this steel bench together. It's really been so long since I've used a friction saw. It throws dust everywhere.
What's going on, mate? Woo! Hey, Chicago is a good band, mate. If you're against it, you're my enemy. How dare you judge me for my music choice? Remember, if you need any quotes, just hit us up.
You have to be real careful on handling the steel after using your abrasion saw. It leaves a real nasty edge. You've got to clean it off with a grinder and maybe a bit of a file.
You've just notched out.
Yep.
Ooh. Like it.
Would you like a beer, mate?
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Make your jokes all you want.
Let me put this bead down.
Not cool, man.
Stop harassing me. So I've been welding and I've got this far, but I've realised I've been fighting with this MIG the whole time. This is a MIG machine I haven't really used before, except for on flux cord wire, inner shield wire, and I believe these settings are back to front, and that's why it's been such a struggle. Now let's see what happens. That's better.
How you doing?
I guess I can take these back to the other workshop now, weld them on, and maybe work on some lockdowns using this threaded rod. couple of videos ago, someone recommended using some oven cleaner to paint strip the blue primer off the steel, and so what's the worst that can happen? I'll give it a go. Mind fingers, no gloves, but it's coming right off. What a great tip. It works a treat. I just did the experiment up there, leave it on for 20 minutes, wipe it off, fantastic. So that's what I'm doing from now on. Great tip, thank you. Of course this table's on wheels so I can move it around, but next part that I'm going to be doing is putting down some lockdown threaded rod so I can adjust the height of the table if I've got a wonky floor. I'm going to be using my new saw for that. Looking forward to using that. It's one of them tooth cold saws. In time I'll make some fancy fixtures, hold downs, but for the time being I'll use what I got. Well, I think that's about it for the time being. I really need to do some more work on this bench, put some shelves in it, some hooks, a rack for probably for some clamps, etc. But I really want to see it in my new workspace when I clean that out, and so I can do it properly. Once I've done all those little things, I can paint it up and make it all nice and pretty. But I'm looking forward to using it. It's going to be the basis, the foundation of which I start all my new builds on here at the new premises, Studio Dubbeld, here in Townsville. I'm looking forward to working with these guys here, Joel and Aden, and seeing what comes of it. It'll be a really wonderful collaboration. And so just wanted to thank you all for watching the video. I hope you liked it, hope there was something that you picked up from it, and I hope to see you in the comments. See you on the next video. Thank you.
It should be right.
Hey, it should be right. What happened there, Aden?
I dropped the sausage, but a little bit of water.
A little bit. Hang on.
This is what we call water, oil, mate.
That's flipping terrible. Which one was it?
This one. Don't worry, I'll eat that one, alright?
So when you get invited over to the studio for a barbecue, beware of the rogue sausage.
I'll eat that one. You notice that the inside of my hands are clean.
The inside of your left hand's clean.
That's because I was dealing with a fire, cooking you lunch.
Huh?
You know, if the camera wasn't rolling, I'd say some harsh words to you right now. Who's that random guy there? He looks like a termite inspector.
Well, I don't know, but he's pretty keen on measuring stuff.
Okay, alright. We're serious now. Hey dude, did you steal my pencils there?
Yes.
Okay, you two jerks, pull yourselves together.
Hey, hey! That's getting closer to my bench.
I don't know who that guy
inch by inch. He looks like a damn termite inspector.
I give a rat's about the panels.
Okay, alright. Alright, this
It's
is
a 5-second
this
clip.
is the last one, okay? This is the last one.
Jesus, it's gone a while for 5 seconds.
Hey, who's this guy? He looks like a damn termite inspector.
Well, he's handsome. I'll give him that.
Here's your voice.
It's
You are
terrible.
gonna
Joel sounds like a 16-year-old boy.
like, don't worry, puberty only lasts about 2 months.
Yeah.
That's what I found.
Oh, okay.
Went from tile to carpet like that, mate. This was pretty short, eh?
I don't know how I can take you seriously with that hair. I just look.
I embrace my lazy lifestyle as much as I can. You'd say that's true, right?
I think you're a good embracer of your lazy lifestyle.
The
Yes.
thing is, Joel gave me shit because I was late, even though I had a valid reason why. Oh yeah, that's the guy. It's quite a smooth tripod you got there.
It's not bad. Yeah.
So zoom's up here.
Tripod.
Zoom here. Is that zoom?
No, on the front, on the flip, it's a cameraman. The zoom on that.
Oh yeah, that's my bad.
You
That's
guys, you
my
just
bad.
like all the technology.
That's my
press
bad.
the
That's my
button.
bad. That's my
This is
bad.
old school.
All right. So how was your first day at the studio, mate?
Look, they're pretty hard on me. All day, just flogging me all day. Leaving stuff in the walkways. Like making noise. It's a workshop, making noise. Leaving my banana skins on the floor.
Did you really eat a banana today?
Yeah, I had banana.
So how would you rate Joel as a human?
Whose job?
This food. You gonna rock up tomorrow?
Yeah, I'll have a think about it.
All right.